Hey guys, check out Freebie commissions. This is really exciting. So what you're going to see is a little bit of a demo movie, and I'm just going to kind of be quiet and watch it with you for a second because I think it explains it a little bit better than what I would be saying, right? So just a little quick heads up, this is Freebie commissions, and it's going to show you the platform is, hey, we give you something for free, and your client gets to develop a relationship with this product line. And then if they feel comfortable and if they like what they got for free, then they're probably going to upgrade to some kind of service that is a paid service. So it's really exciting that you could actually give something free to somebody, a friend, a client, a customer, so that they can get their feet wet and make sure that this is the right timing for them to start going down this adventure and to learn this new knowledge and to use this new technology. So let's check it out. Very exciting. If you'd like to give stuff away for free, kind of like holiday season, right? Then you're going to love Freebie commissions. So here is like you're choosing what you want to actually sell. This is a funnel, so you're creating a sales funnel. So someone's going to say, ooh, yes, I do want something for free. And this kind of locates what you can give away for free. You're going to have to create an account with Warrior Plus. And then here you go. You get your link to sell the product. So if they do, this is the free version, okay? But then it puts them within that product line. So if the client was to upgrade, then it's already connected to your affiliate link. So then you would make the commissions from the upgrade. So consider yourself like Santa Claus here, all right? You're basically giving something away for free. Amazing, right? Super cool. And now you can connect it to your autoresponder. So you probably want to have an Aweber account here. And as you see the raw HTML, you just copy this and then you paste it into this funnel. So it's like an interwoven, weaving internet experience. You give something away for free. It costs you really no money other than some time to understand how to use this. Then you've connected this person to your autoresponder, so you're building your list. And if they decide to upgrade from the free version, boom, cha-ching! It's like Christmas in your stocking, right? So let's keep on watching. Discover the number one trick that made me $200 in 60 minutes. So that is like an offer that you are giving to somebody. They put their email address in. But remember, it's connected to your autoresponder. So you just took that person into your autoresponder. And now it's a lead. And you know it's somebody that's looking to make more money. Boom. And then this is what they see. Hey, commission shortcut. Get free access. They bought it for free. They put their information in. And now they get free access. It's a win-win situation. And pretty much these are products that were on the market and they currently are, but you're giving them the free version. This is just kind of giving you a really good, easy access to the free products out there. So upgrade to the unlimited. So your client or your friend or your customer is going to go through this and they're going to have the option to upgrade if they want more benefits than the front end product. And if they don't, that's okay. But if they do want to go premium, then boom, you've just made a sale. And you didn't have to plan a party. You didn't have to buy the liquor, the ice, the beer, put the tent up, the upgrades, do the invitations. Basically, I think this is kind of like a party invitation, right? Instead of serving refreshments, you're giving free stuff. All right, so that is Freebie commissions. And instead of having a party and serving hors d'oeuvres, you're serving up some free, awesome software. See you soon. You can get your access now to free commissions at emailads.co. See you soon.